This isn't a paid for spot for Informatics, but I'm going to give them a shout out because you guys did great work for me. And the reason I'm going to give them a shout out is because I'm going to hit you up for some free consulting right now. We're going to share it with a lot of people. So we're going to talk about data definitions, getting to those standards and those kind of things. And let's start with, what are the characteristics of a high functioning healthcare system with regard to data and analytics?
Well, there are a few characteristics. I think number one is culture. You have to have a data-driven culture. And for me, that culture starts at the top. So I include your leadership in that culture statement. You have to have leaders who are data-driven and who are going to invest in analytics. And that means both capital and people's time in analytics. And they have to hold all of their direct reports and the organization as a whole accountable for actually using information to inform decisions. You can't just say, oh, we're going to put out a balanced scorecard and check the box. You actually have to hold people accountable for their performance on that balanced scorecard. And if things are going in the wrong direction, they have to be able to answer, why is this happening, and have data to back it up. So really, truly having that data driven. To me, that's number one. You can't be high performing without that. Obviously, you have to have data platforms. And this, when I think about platforms, it's the platforms to integrate the data and curate it to the degree that is necessary for how you want to use it, and has a range of analytical tools on top of that to meet your target end users. So for a less mature organization, you might start out with those tools very focused on like information visualization and dashboarding and reporting. But for more mature organizations, you've got to have those more advanced analytics tools so that your really power user analysts and data scientists can really explore and innovate and do some really exciting things with the new generation of machine learning tools, data prep tools. There's a lot of things people can do with data these days if you give them the right tools and have the data available.